Scared rabbit. Let's we improve our English through Scared Rabbit story. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence after me. Once, in a special forest, there was a rabbit named Dobby, who liked exploring. Dobby was scared of the dark. But, one day, he found a cave. With a lantern and a little courage, he went in. Inside, the cave was amazing. Shiny crystals made the walls sparkle. Dobby was not scared anymore, he was amazed. Then, Dobby heard a small voice. It was Sparkle, a tiny dragon, who needed help finding its family. Dobby, being nice, agreed to help. They faced challenges together, crossing rivers and solving riddles. Dobby learned that having a friend made the dark not so scary. Finally, they found Sparkle's family in a big cavern. Sparkle's family thanked Benny by sharing their special star-shaped candies. Dobby and Sparkle went back to the forest, celebrating their friendship with a candy feast. Dobby was not scared of the dark anymore. The magical cave taught him that facing fears and finding friends can lead to wonderful surprises. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.